Here we are. Your body's been whispering. Are you listening? I'm not talking about collapsing halfway up the stairs. I'm talking about that little whisper in your knee that pauses before you step, that awareness that something feels off. For me, it's been my left knee. Just a twinge, but I know it's connected to my hip. So I've been working on it slowly. The same way I worked through frozen shoulders not that long ago. Um, the right side is finally opening up, especially now that I'm working with the bar again. So just with weights and stuff, it's making a big difference. So progress, 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 not perfection. And I want to say this clearly: you don't have to be in the be in a crisis mode for your body to deserve attention. Because you may think, well, Claudette, I really, I'm doing fine. But are you really? You don't need to hit rock bottom to make a shift. Sometimes it's the quiet, daily discomfort that needs the most care. We just get so used to it that we forget to even listen. I'm Claudette. I'm 61 plus, and I don't speak from theory. I speak from lived experience. I've walked through caregiving, grief, solo rebuilding, and healing my own body from burnout and disconnection. And right now, I'm doing something many people avoid at my age. I'm in the gym. I have a membership to Beast Mode. Yep. That's at the Y. I lift weights, not because I have to, but because I choose to. It gets me out of the house, connects me with people, and gives me the structure I need to stay rooted. But I know the gym isn't for everyone. And I also know if I don't stretch this hip, if I don't build that support around the knee, it's not going to magically improve. So this is a season for building, and I want to show you how I'm doing it gently. And the reason is that I want to share that with you is I want to encourage you to listen to yourself. Listen quietly. Think about all the different things. Where are you at? Survival mode told me I was strong because I just kept going. Healing taught me the real strength is knowing when to pause, to rest, recalibrate, to move, but not push to pain. Balance doesn't come from ignoring your body. It comes from listening to it. Really listening, stretching it, supporting it, letting it rebuild one small step at a time. And that's what I have a 5-day experience going on. It started on Sunday, but it's not too late because it's not a challenge. Okay, it's called a step into balance, and like I said, 5 days, and it's different from anything I've done because, like I said, it's not a challenge. Excuse me. It's not a push to hit numbers. It's not about proving anything to anybody else. It's about reconnecting your body, giving yourself the space to be supported again, to really listen. And inside this 5-day, and you can just go back and do those steps because it started a couple days ago. We're exploring simple shifts, small steps, real tools that meet you where you're at. And those tools are you. You don't need any extra parts and pieces. You'll learn how to recognize your natural rhythm, not just force yourself into someone else's routine. It's not what it's about. What daily support looks like without adding pressure. It really makes a difference. How to gently rebuild strength, stamina, and confidence. Again, this is about you. Not about me, it's about you. This isn't about counting steps to hit some big number. It's about noticing how your body moves and giving it the right support to move better. Who doesn't want that, right? There will be things you can do standing, sitting, even resting. You choose, because balance is whole body experience. It's not just walking, it's energy, clarity, digestion, strength, and yes, confidence. The confidence doesn't just happen. You have to be a part of it. You have to engage yourself to be there, okay? If this sounds like something you need, if your knees whispering before your day even begins, if the afternoon slump has become part of your routine, if stairs feel just a little steeper than they did a year ago, drop the word step below or send me a DM and I'll invite you into my private group, the Ageless Adventurers. That's right, you heard that. Ageless Adventurers. And that's where the 5-day happens. And that's where you'll find support without pressure. We're all there for each other, okay? This isn't about selling you something. This is about showing up for yourself with tools that meet you where you are. Start where you're at and then move forward. And if you've ever done anything like this before, that's perfect. This is designed for you. So you can take all the supplements in the world, but if your rhythm is off, your results will stall. I take some support, some supplements and stuff, and because I'm engaging and having some movement and stuff, my success is even better because it supports and it works because I have movement. So you don't need to hustle. You don't need to rebuild, with this gently. And you need to rebuild gently and intentionally. Okay, if you're going to build a rooted and rising lifestyle, your health has to carry you there. And most importantly, you're not too late. You're not behind. You don't need to be perfect, in perfect shape to begin. Let's just step into balance together. You've got time, you've got support, and your body deserves the same care you give everyone else. It's time for you. Let's do this one step at a time. Thanks for being here. And if you're watching a replay, just put replay, and I love your comments or suggestions. Look forward to hearing from you. Have an amazing day.